Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. In the Financial Week today, we look at technology use in business. Now, Technology Minister Favour Williams is calling on small business operators to implement more cutting-edge technologies in their operations. Mrs. Williams was speaking at the Caribbean MSME conference on Tuesday. TVJ's Andrew Laidley has the details.
Technology in the workplace has become the norm, forcing large corporations to adjust and adapt to the new world of business. Technology Minister Favour Williams is now urging small businesses to get in line, urging them to start out with the best innovation available.
I want to encourage MSMEs, as much as you're able to, incorporate technology in your business processes. We are on the cusp of the fourth industrial revolution, where technology will feature prominently in all processes.
She says there are untapped areas of economic growth which can be realized with a greater focus on technology.
The possibilities of billions of people connected by mobile devices with unprecedented processing power, storage capacity, and access to knowledge are unlimited. These possibilities will be multiplied by emerging technology breakthroughs in fields such as artificial intelligence, robotics, the Internet of Things, autonomous vehicles, nanotechnology, biotechnology, material science, energy storage, and quantum computing.
Mrs. Williams also pointed out that technology is the driving force behind the fourth industrial revolution and noted that Jamaica should not be left behind.
Businesses, communication, and just about every aspect of everyday life will be revolutionized. We have to take the necessary steps to retool and prepare for the next frontier of doing business.
Meanwhile, she also emphasized the importance of data protection.
But even as you expand your reach and customer engagement through technology, I implore you to take great care to secure your online presence and manage the data you collect and store. Health, financial, and personal records, among others, are vital information that, if placed in the wrong hands, can affect our lives significantly.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
And that's the Financial Week.